What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I'm bringing you a unboxing review and overview of a new product that is for my trunk. Yes, it's for my trunk, and that is the WeatherTech protectors. I don't even know. So you guys are probably laughing at me like, what the heck, Lethal? What are you talking about? Now, this product is something that I decided I wanted. I went to fasttech.com. I ordered this product, paid full price for this product because my discount code didn't work, and I yelled at Ricardo for it. But anyways, the ultimate idea here is I've noticed in my trunk, here, and actually I think I just left my key inside the house, so it popped. That's good. So in my trunk, I carry a few things. I have a big basket. I kind of modified. I ordered this from Camaro Collections, and I put a screw through it so it wouldn't pull apart, so I can put heavy things and it wouldn't pull the center divider out. I use this to hold a lot of my cleaning supplies and extra towels. And then I have my old little container, and sorry it's dark, but I use this just to hold miscellaneous stuff. I got my license plates, I got other stuff in here. It is what it is. But they slide around and they vibrate and they do all sorts of things. And I was kind of hoping that maybe by putting a WeatherTech or something inside the back of the trunk, it would eliminate some of those noises. I don't know, I may be crazy or whatever, but I figured, hey, let's try it out, see if it works, and go from there. So that's what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open this box, see how it looks. I'm a little baffled because I know this thing's supposed to lay flat, and I don't know how it's going to unroll. Is it going to be like in a circular formation and hold its form for a long time? Do I have to put like weight on it? I don't know. So let's open it up and find out. Yeah, just as I thought. So in the box is a rolled up WeatherTech. I can't say when it arrived I didn't expect anything less, but in the box it came with a pamphlet to sell you on all the other WeatherTech catalog items, some sort of cleaning drop-in thing, and a reseller agreement. So there's no instruction, no details on how to let that thing unroll or lay flat or whatever. But as you can see, it's a little rolled up. I mean, it's not as bad on the edges. I guess it will sit down over time once it gets warm. I'm assuming once it sits in your trunk for a little bit, it will be fine. But yeah, here it is. WeatherTech supposedly custom fit the Camaro. So let's put it in the trunk, see how it fits. And I'll get some lighting so we can see. So I've realized the inside of my trunk is pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum that out. So I vacuumed her out. Now let's drop this WeatherTech padding into the trunk. Let's see here. Oh. Fits pretty nicely. Kind of tucks under the bolts. You can see the bolts down here. A little lip tucks under there. I almost wonder if... No. I guess it sits like that. I was thinking maybe you can pull these bolts out and make it catch it, but it's fine. It actually sits pretty good. Actually, I'm pretty impressed. I thought the round, it being rolled up like that, was going to cause it to sit weird. But, I mean, you could see that it still needs to sit flush. Here, I can aim some light over here. So, you can see over here, it still pushes down a little bit. But I think over time, just in heat and whatever, it will form to it pretty nicely. But it fits in there pretty nice. Now let's see if my baskets and stuff fit in there and see how they slide around on the surface. that holds pretty good, but this part still slides around a little bit. There's nothing that really locks it in place. Let's put that back there. This is pretty nice. It's not bad. It's not completely terrible. I can bring my light forward so I can actually see stuff. A little bit. So you can see I got my big basket, I got my little basket. Still got quite a bit of room in here. And with my big basket in there, it doesn't slide around. So that's good. This has enough weight to keep it from sliding forward. I mean, if I get my finger on the edge, which is kind of cheating, but it looks like it will stay pretty permanent with items on there. So that's good. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Looks nice. I just added weight to my car. Boo. So, I mean, no real glitz or glam on this one. I mean, it's the WeatherTech trunk thing. It seems to not move with my stuff on there. My stuff seems to not slide across the surface. So I think I solved the problem that I had with things just sliding around all in the back. I don't know how it's going to act with groceries or so. Actually, I really don't get groceries anymore. But it's doing what I wanted it to do up front, and that's good enough for me. Is it worth the price? That's up to you guys. I mean, it's not cheap. It's like $100 or something like that. 100 and some odd bucks, $120, I think. I don't have that. Here, let's look it up. Let's look it up. Okay, I knew it was 120 some odd bucks, but it was $127.95 as seen on fasttech.com. No, my Lethal 5 discount code did not work for it, so I can't tell you to use that. I don't know if it has better pricing anywhere else, but Fast Tech Performance has it. You know they have great customer service. $127. It's up to you if you think it's worth the cost. It's a nice liner. It's going to protect the padding that came with the car stock, so I don't have to worry about my soap or anything now spilling, getting into the carpet, or if I'm carrying oil or anything like that. This WeatherTech will actually happen. That's one of the other reasons why I got it, because I started changing my own oil again, and with that I'll have to take my oil to a dumping yard, and I didn't really like the idea of carrying oil on the back of my car or on the front seat of the car or something like that. Like if it spilled or leaked or something like that. Now I have a little bit more peace of mind with the WeatherTech because the oil will spill on that and not the carpet and stuff like that. So there you have it. WeatherTech cargo trunk mat, full name, whatever. Descriptions are down below if you guys are interested. I like the way it looks. I was worried it was going to be rolled up and take a while to fit and roll out, and it didn't take long. It basically fits the car with all the stuff, with my stuff in there. It fits. And again, I know it's dark, but this is fitting nice and flush. Everything sits nice. It's molded nicely up against all the edges. They did a good job here. It's a nice fit. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about it. So if you guys are interested in the product, again, the link is down below. Do appreciate you checking out the video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. If not, I can't talk. If not, likes, comments, shares are appreciated. But until next time, guys, hope to see you on the road.